오전 5시. 오전 5시. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is tasot. Because today, on One Korean Word Today here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about tasot. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 340. Tasot. Tasot. This pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ta, second syllable is sot. Pronounce it with me. Tasot. The word tasot is simply the native Korean number 5. Again, tasot means number 5. How do you write tasot in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable da, we need to draw first a dikut character followed by an a character. Next, for the second syllable sot, we need to draw first a siot character followed by an o character followed by another siot character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of those two syllables to form the Hangul of the word tasot. And that's how you write tasot in Hangul. Now let's try looking at this example. It says 5 a.m. or 5 o'clock in the morning. Again, 5 o'clock in the morning. The Korean translation of this is 오전 5시. Again, 오전 5시. 오전 means a.m. and this is used to indicate that the time is in the morning or a.m. And 5시 means 5 o'clock. Tasot is our word for today. It means 5 and she is used to say o'clock. So when we say 오전 5시, it means 5 o'clock a.m. or 5 o'clock in the morning. Again, it means 5 a.m. So, looking back to this, which was flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 오전 5시 is 5 o'clock in the morning or 5 a.m. And with that, you've just learned tasot. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 330 to 339. But don't forget our word for today, word number 340, it's tasot, which means native Korean number 5. The first word for our review is 보라색, which means purple color. Next word is 배우, which means actor. Next word is 요리사, which means chef or cook. Next word is 여배우, which means actress. Next word is 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 7월, which means July. Next word is 요리하다, which means to cook. Next word is 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word is 별로, which means not really. And the last word for our review is word number 330. It's tuk, which means porridge. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.